Ladies and gentlemen, Tyler here from Tyler Trading Tips. I hope you had a fantastically profitable Forex trading week. Welcome to another episode of the best Forex setups you've missed money on this week. We have three pairs to line up: the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Euro, NZD, and also the British pound, New Zealand dollar as well. So three New Zealand dollar pairs. Let's crack straight into this with New Zealand USD. As we can see here, there was a 5.5 risk to reward trade that I have done live for you guys in my live chart playlist. Be sure to go check that out. But this 5.5 risk to reward trade came at a half level 7150. You can see 7 pip stop loss for a 38 pip target. Really good there. Lower time frame entry during London high of the day. So we took that sell opportunity to hit the 400% Fibonacci from there, and also the 1 hour as well in a downtrend. As we can see from here, nothing but sell bias going all the way to the point we took the entry, and also the 4 hour as well, nothing but a downtrend as well. So the higher time frame bias in the sell market, hence why when we go to the 15-minute time frame, we're only looking for short positions, and that's what we took there. So that's the first one there. As you can see, many factors as a grade A setup to take. Be sure to definitely check out that live chart trade in my playlist in the top right hand side. The next one we have is also the Euro New Zealand dollar. This one was a really textbook setup as well, which happened on the 15th, I believe. Yes, right here. So you can see as well the 6950 level, half level as well with the lower time frame entry. You could have done a 13.5 pip stop loss to target for 82, 83 pips, hit the 400% with ease. And there was a lower time frame entry during the London session at 7 PM, came very early in the morning, and from that you could have made 6 risk to reward. So a very clean entry at the institutional level as well. And also just looking at the higher time frame bias as well, you can see the 1 hour near the actual trade is going in an uptrend. The higher time frame bias for that. The 4 hour as well, nothing but an uptrend as well. So if you've got the higher time frame bias in a bullish situation, when you go to the 15-minute, you can see that we're only looking for long positions, high probability in long position scenarios. So that's the next one there. The final one as well was the British pound New Zealand dollar as well. This market has been trending for weeks, absolutely weeks. So it's really good scenarios to take any long positions essentially. And you can see, if I can just find where I entered this, well, I didn't enter it, but you can see the best setup for this one came during Asia. So just got to find where it was. Where is it? There it is. So this one was a tricky one. You may or may not have got on this one, but this came during Asia session. So you can see 2:30 in the morning. We hit the institutional level of 1.97000 with a lower time frame setup, and you would have done a 30 pip stop loss to target 220 pips, hit the 400% Fibonacci with ease, and that would have been a 7.3 risk to reward scenario. Now this was really good. This would have been a trade of the week if you was there during Asia. And if you look at the 1 hour time frame as well, nothing but an uptrend for the 1 hour. Also the 4 hour time frame as well, nothing but an uptrend. So again, when you're going to the 15-minute scenario, you're only looking for long positions for high probability situations, and that's how you was able to secure this grade A setup during Asia. So really good setups there. Overall, easily could have made 20 risk to reward for the week and job done. But definitely will be looking into next week to find some good grade A setups. But that's all I got for now. Let me know what you think. Any questions, leave in the comments below. Also subscribe for my forecasts that I do daily and any live chart trades that I may do during the week. But until next week, have a profitable trading week.